Have you ever wondered what it's like to witness two Hollywood legends, Meryl Streep and Martin Short, holding hands on the green carpet, seemingly inseparable at the Only Murders in the Building premiere? This heartwarming display of friendship left everyone in awe. Meryl Streep, 75, and Martin Short, 74, walked hand in hand at the season 4 premiere of their hit show, Only Murders in the Building, held on the Paramount Root Studios lot in Los Angeles. Their co-stars Selena Gomez and Steve Martin were also present, adding to the star-studded event. As a lifestyle enthusiast, I'd like to share an intriguing narrative from the world of entertainment. Loretta Durkin and Oliver Putnam, two individuals who found love on a stage, share a similar bond. Their paths crossed in the 3rd season when she joined the cast of the musical he was producing. And their joint appearance at the Golden Globes sparked rumors of a romantic relationship. But a spokesperson for Short asserted that they were just very good friends. Fans, however, couldn't help but notice their playful interaction on the red carpet, linking arms and striking humorous poses. Since the passing of his wife, Nancy Dolman, due to ovarian cancer in 2010, Short has been a single father to 3 grown children. Streep, on the other hand, was married to artist Don Gummer for nearly 40 years. But the couple quietly split in 2017. In recent news, fans of Meryl Streep are buzzing with anticipation over the potential release of the 3rd Mamma Mia movie, following hints dropped by Christine Baranski during her latest interview. And with that said, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting updates from the world of lifestyle and entertainment. Thanks for watching.